Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. You can see these clamps that keep these ramps from rattling. It's got a handle on the driver or passenger side, and you can see with 1 finger is all it takes. I can take that ramp to the ground with ease. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than a side entry. It does taper down to 33 inches here at the base where the ramp sets, but still a lot of room. It's got 8 tie-downs anchors in there, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good. You can see the rear air controls up there. And what special feature this has, this is a $2,000 upgrade nearly. These seats, they'll collapse and they'll fold out of the way. So let me set the camera down. I'll get those folded up so you can see them. And to fold these seats up, you can see when they're folded up and out of the way, they're just like that. You gotta let the seat down, which helps if you do it with 2 hands, but you can pull the lever there. And then there's a lever under here. You gotta push this down. And they're spring assisted, they'll flip right up out of the way. So you can see if you want your chair to pull all the way up to the front, or if you want to get 2 chairs in here, it's easier to do. These add-ons are generally a couple $1,000s to put these new seats in here, seat bases in here. This van comes with it already at no charge, so very nice option to have. The dash looks great. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync your phone in here, auxiliary cord. Dual climate control, rear air controls. Has those nice high-tech, high-dollar WeatherTech floor mats. Got your cup holders here, cup holders in the door, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. And we do give a free set of Q-straight, pull-tight tie-downs away with each van. So when you got everybody secure, come back out. We have the ramp just like so. Take it back up, clamp it down, and you're ready to go. Shut the trunk lid. Simple as that. A quick walk around to this van. Tinted windows in the rear. The paint shines very clean. This has 2 new Firestones in the back, like 8, 9, 30 seconds. Not brand new, but I mean new condition. I didn't put them on, but they're like new. And the front has 2 Yokohamas. So don't ask me why someone put 2 Firestones on the back and there's 2 Yokohamas on the front. But the Yokohamas are darn near like near too. 8 to 9, 30 seconds. So it's got 4 really good tires on it. Front are Yokohama, rear are Firestone. I don't know how that happened, but I don't question it. It's got 4 real nice tires on it, is the point. Name brand, high quality tires. Very clean, the paint still shines. Overall, a very nice van. I see a few small, little chips in the paint. That might be tar. I think that's tar actually. I'll see if my detailer can get that off. So I'm not saying this van's perfect, but it's been very well taken care of. A little scuff there too. I think that'll buff out. I'm going to try to buff that out, but just trying to show you what I see on the van. The roof looks good. Everything looks good up top. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know I've got this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we've got a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see Carfax shows no accidents or damage. Last owned in Texas, so a nice salt, rust-free area. You can see Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss, no structural damage, like a frame bent or anything like that. No airbags have been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents, no open recalls. They do show the 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty has expired, but they show the drivetrain, the 6-month, or the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty still has about 39 months or 19,000 miles on it. Also, when you're not comparing us to the competition, look us up on Google. Look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We've got wonderful reviews. Go check us out on eBay. Look, we've done 826 transactions. We've never had negative feedback. Not one negative feedback. That's 826 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. I challenge you to find someone with as good a reputation as we have. And if you think all sellers and all dealers are the same, you are sadly mistaken. Unfortunately, about 80% of them out there are always trying to hide something. So just beware, know who you're dealing with, do some research on them. I'm showing you right now who we are and what we represent. Okay, as far as the interior of the van, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. See that passenger side seat is very clean. Same over here on the driver's side. And this is just a plastic cover here. This is not damaged. We've got a plastic cover to keep that nice and clean. You can see the current mile is 40,621. When I go to start the van up, fires it right up. No check engine lights on, no airbags, no ABS lights. We've got one key. If you want to get a second key made on your dime, that is $199. Sorry, this van only came with one key. Backup camera. And we test everything big and small. Power mirrors, power windows. See that power mirror right there? Power mirror over there. This is not some vehicle we ship out to you or you come look at. You know, if you've looked at vehicles much, you notice people hide things a lot. They don't show you the big dent in the side. They don't tell you about this transmission that's slipping. They don't tell you about the check engine light. You know, I don't do business that way. I'm too busy selling vans to try and hide things from you, and we do business the honest way. So let me check underneath so you can see what's going on. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. I don't see any signs of any damage or accidents. Show you the emission sticker right there. I don't see any leaks. I don't see any signs of abnormal rust, like from a flood or anything like that. This is all stuff we check out before we buy the van. Look, I'm buying the van from the same perspective you are. I don't want something with a bunch of issues. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I don't want something that's been pulled off the bottom of a lake or a flood or something like that. Very clean underneath. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when used car shopping. They assume things. They assume because it only has 40,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman's nice to them. They assume it's a good vehicle. They assume it runs and drives good. I tell you what, go look at my competition. Go ahead, right now, go check out their website. Do they show undercarriage of the vehicle pictures, much less a video? Do they have a Carfax report? Do they show you the reputation? Are they crawling around on the ground when it's pavement's over 100 degrees so you can see what's going on underneath the van? I promise I don't do it because I like it. I do it because I want you to know what you're getting. I want to shoot you straight, and I want you to know what to expect. So that's the #1 mistake people make, like I said. So if someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a mobility van, and they won't get off their backside and go make a 10-minute video like this, then who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? So people get burned for their life savings on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Try to give some acceleration here. Good strong engine. Got up to 65 miles an hour. The steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. So the van runs and drives great. It's exactly what I want in a used vehicle. Got the cruise control set, cruise works fine. With all this being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Whether it be 90 days or up to 8 years or anywhere in between, talk to me about those. They're very affordable. You know, protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind there's a lot of dealers out there with a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is all their hidden fees. They've got a document fee, a tag fee, freight, and you know, if someone is not going to be honest with you about the real price of a vehicle, then what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding a flood, an accident, title work, you know, salvage title, mechanical issues? You know, I don't know, but if the price says $30,000, it shouldn't be $500 in fees on the back end. It shouldn't be $1,000, $1,200. Then you got to factor in shipping, because you know, I don't know anybody else that does free shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price online is about $3,000 more than you were expecting. So our price you see is the price shipped to your home. Keep that in mind. No hidden fees. I don't do business like that. What I'll do with this next ramp is give it the stoplight down here is give it a nice hard brake. And also, if you want to get a hold of us, give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking. The steering wheel wasn't vibrating back and forth. All, again, exactly what we're looking for in a used vehicle. If you want to give me a text message, if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. That's my cell phone, my personal cell phone. Hey, I want you to call the competition, especially those big companies, Mobility Works, Freedom Motors, United Access, VMI, Braun, and ask them, are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Because I am committed enough to customer service to give you my cell phone number, because I just did. So see if they are, see if they're that committed. And hey, if you want to see our entire inventory with detailed videos, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, check us out, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about that. Give me a call. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email. And if you're old school, you're not real computer savvy, that's okay. Don't be shy. Give us a call. We'll spend some time with you. We'll take an application over the phone. We're always happy to help. So as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.